Today I'm going to taste and make drinks with Howler Head, which is a Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey with natural banana flavor. I'm excited to try this, and I am going to do so right now. It's got this nice little amber color, not too dark, kind of light, which is indicative of a young bourbon with flavors in it. The aroma is actually really nice. I get the aroma, those caramel notes from the bourbon, which you often don't get in flavored whiskeys. The taste is nice too, because I get the bourbon, definitely there. I get the flavor, even a little pungent. So a nice bourbon with a little kick. And then I'm getting the sweetness from the additional sugar and the banana flavor. Actually really nice. Again, I like it because I can taste the whiskey. So I'm going to make a couple of drinks with this. Let me go ahead and start with an old fashioned. Because this drink here is already sweet, right? We're going to want to make an old fashioned, but we're really not going to want to add the sugar in it. So I'm going to just set this glass right here. I'm going to grab my beaker. Okay. Add some ice, and in here I'm going to add 4 dashes of aromatic bitters. Just like that. And then I'm going to add 3 ounces or 90 mils of the Howler Head. Just like that. Going to give this a nice stir. About 20 to 25 seconds will do. It's 80 proof, so there's alcohol in here, and it's 3 ounces. So we just basically want to chill it and add a little bit of water to the picture here, which I feel we have done. Okay, a nice little cherry. Just like that. And why not a beautiful orange peel? And there we go. We've got our first drink, which is the Howler Head Old Fashioned. I'm going to set that right there, and I'm going to dive right into drink number 2. So this one's big, going to be big, bold, and boozy. But what if you're looking for something a little bit more refreshing, a little bit more tropical? At the end of the day, bananas are tropical. Bourbon goes well with everything. So hey, let's give it a shot. I'm going to do something a little more just tropical and easy to drink for you. Just like that. I'm going to add some ice in, and in here I'm going to add, again, 2 ounces, also known as 60 mils, of the Howler Head Banana Whiskey. Okay. I'm going to back it up with about a half an ounce, 15 mils, of Grand Marnier, or any other orange curacao style liqueur will do. Okay. Now I'm going to add 2 ounces or 60 mils of pineapple juice. And then to that I'm going to add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. And then to that, I'm going to add a half an ounce of simple syrup. Okay, let's give this a nice shake. Okay. Add some ice in the glass right here. Let's take all this beautifulness that's in our shaker, pour it right in, just like that. And what am I going to garnish this with? Well, I've got a ton of stuff here. So I'm going to start with, first and foremost, a nice little mint top, just like that. Why not put a little cherry, make it a little tropical, just like that. And I know I have some cool little umbrella straws here. Actually, they say it's not an umbrella, it's a parasol. So why don't we give this a little parasol, just like that. But again, if you don't have this, obviously you don't need to do that. So there you have the two drinks. What am I going to call this one? I'm going to call this one Banana Republic. Let me taste them. Okay, so we have here the Howler Head Old Fashioned. Very good. Just really, really delicious. Bourbon flavors, banana flavors, sweetness, the bitters from the aromatic bitters. I'm glad I added 4 dashes. It needed to be a little bit more bitter, but no sweetness needed. So think about it, when you're making an old fashioned, you add sugar. In this case here, you will not. This recipe here was actually tipped to me from a friend, and I wanted to taste it to make sure he was on point, and he was definitely on point. One more sip right there. Okay, let's go ahead and go with the Banana Republic, which is a little bit more of the tropical version here. Just delicious. Easy drinking. Very, very nice. Pineapple, nuttiness, caramel from the Howler Head, banana from the Howler Head. Just a really nice, refreshing drink. So if you liked it, give this video a like, and I'll see you soon.